Hi everyone. Today I'll show you a streamlined 4-step process to get your workspace running like clockwork. Step 1. Enable your core time tools. Before your team can start their day, an admin needs to switch on the right Click apps. First, enable time tracking so your team can use timers or log hours manually. Next, turn on time estimates, which is critical for comparing planned work against actual effort. If you're on a business plan or hire, make sure to enable billable time to easily tag entries for client invoicing. Step 2. Organize your workspace hierarchy. A clear structure is the key to accurate reporting. Start by creating functional teams, like designers or accounts payable, so you can assign work or mention entire groups at once. For complex projects, use subtasks with individual time estimates to keep tracking granular. To save time, use pre-built templates like the hourly schedule or employee schedule to manage daily shifts. Step 3. Monitor capacity and performance. With the data flowing in, use specialized views to keep your team balanced. Check the workload view to see team capacity. It will highlight anyone who is over capacity in red and show who has room for more tasks in green. Use the Timesheets hub to review daily or weekly logs across the whole team. Finally, build a team performance dashboard using time reporting cards to see total hours worked by person or project. Step 4. Streamline payroll and invoicing. Lastly, turn those tracked hours into financial data. Set up custom fields using money or formula formats to store hourly rates for each member. This lets you automatically calculate total payouts by multiplying time tracked by their rate. You can even create approval workflows with custom statuses like submitted, approved, and paid to manage the entire life cycle of a task. By setting up this workflow, you ensure accountability and make payroll day a breeze. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.